Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche design and Honor Magic 8 Pro. Both are type tire flagships, but they cater to different levels of luxury and performance. The RSR features a Porsche-inspired armor-like body with a squircle-shaped camera module. Weight is 239 grams. The Pro is more conventional but sleek, and weight is 205 grams. Both run on Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. However, the RSR pushes boundary with up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, while the Pro typically tops up at 16 GB of RAM. Both sport a massive 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. The RSR with a professional camera kit accessories and CIPA 6.5 anti-shake technology for superior stability. They share a massive 7200 battery with 120-watt wide and 80-watt wireless charging. The RSR the ultimate double supreme choice. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.